Well, in this video, I'll show you two things. How to quickly evaluate your .emacs or init.el file with the help of key combination, and how to quickly restart your Emacs again with key combination. Okay, so without further ado, this is my Emacs, right? Say I have made some changes to my .emacs or init.el file. I want to evaluate it quickly. I have bounded a key with a small function, Control CR. If I do Control CR, look at the bottom. It is loading my Emacs. Don't worry about the error. It quickly evaluate my .emacs or init.el in Quickway, right? All I have to do just press Control CR. That's all. Okay, so if you see Control C, look at the R. It says reload.emacs. Okay, I'll show you the function, how it works, how it is defined inside .emacs file. Okay, let me show you. Before that, say for instance, for different reason you want to restart Emacs quickly. Okay, for that I have also bound some key which will quickly do the stuff. For me, I have assigned it to Control XNR. What I have assigned? Control XNR. If I do that, Control XNR, see, it closes Emacs, right? Now it open. So quick, right? So it is super convenient, because evaluating the initialization file, and for some reason you want to close your editor and bring up quickly, this is very convenient. Then you have to bind with some key press which will do the trick. My Emacs is fatty. It has got so many stuff, that's why it is taking this much of time. For your case, it might become up much more quicker, right? So, and I haven't trimmed down the packages also, that's why it takes more time. So to show you what is there in the .emacs file, if you haven't checked it out on my .emacs file in GitHub, let me show you. I have wrote a keyboard macro to open .emacs and .emacs org files side by side. For my sake, when I edit both the file at once, right? So Control C I. It will open both the files side by side. So I'll show you how the reload init file key combination and restart Emacs key combination, how it defined inside the. So on the right hand side there is a .emacs, you can see on the bottom, and on the left it is a org file. So if I go to the other window and if I say search for reload, see, this is the function. You can see my cursor moving, right? This is the function. As I said, I just press Control CR to reload the .emacs. This is the function. Okay, this .emacs file can be in your case might be init.el and the location will be different, but this is basically shortcut way to evaluate your initialization file of Emacs. Okay, fine. Then if I go and do restart, see, this is the key bind. I have bounded it to Control XNR, right, and call the function Restart Emacs. If you can see at the bottom that, look at the R option, it says Restart Emacs, right, because I assigned those particular key to Restart Emacs function. In your case, you might bind it with your convenient key. Okay, so likewise for to reload the Emacs file or init.el file, I have bounded it with, I'll look at the R option, reload.emacs. Okay, in your case it might be different, but the point is that these are the two very important operation: evaluating the initialization file and restarting for some various see, it's a software, right? Sometimes you need to, if no other option come to your mind, think about it, it might get some sort of weird behavior or hang or something like, then you have to quickly go off and bring it back. For that, so you have to have this kind of keystroke at your disposal, or you made something which will bring these things up without much fuss. Okay, so the purpose of this to make you aware that you could do that. Okay, I have done it from the very beginning, so it I thought it was these things were necessary, so I bounded it like that. Okay, I hope this will be useful to some people. Thanks for watching.